Hello and welcome to my video of the Anker PowerPort Wireless 10 charger. It's a wireless charger made by Anker. It works with the iPhone X, the iPhone 8 and the Samsung models such as the S9, S9 Plus and also other chargers, any other phones that have wireless charging enabled. So it comes in a little box, normal Anker style. Let's go ahead and open it. So this is the charger itself. I have had one like this before, but this one is a fast one. The other one wasn't. It has rubber feet, so it's really good grip. This is where the charging wire goes in. This is one of the few Anker products that actually come with their own micro USB cable. I think this one is a 3-meter one. It's actually a 3 feet one, sorry. And it's good for connecting it up. If it's on your desk, for example, it will reach the wall. So this charger does have LEDs on the base which will light up when you charge it. I'm going to plug it into a power bank and see if they will come on without a phone. Yeah, as you can see, there's really nice LEDs all the way around. That'll tell you if it's charging or not. So you don't just put your phone on and it doesn't charge. This way, with the lights, you will actually be able to see if it is charging or not. For super fast charging to actually work with this, you will need a fast wall charger. So don't forget that if you have like a Samsung or I think an iPhone X and you want the fastest charging possible, you will need a fast wall charger, because this doesn't actually provide any power. It just gives you what the wall charger gives. So do keep that in mind when purchasing this item, that you will need a fast wall charger. This was an unboxing of the Anker PowerPort 10. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.